Okay, I got it. I hate the lights in here. We gotta fix these.
Ready?
Uh-huh.
I'm a child hater or an ogre. No, I'm a reasonable man who expects reasonable treatment from his neighbors.
Oh, baby, she held on to it. She's not gonna do it, Daddy.
Yeah, I'm running a little late. If you'd like, I'll come by.
Did you see her hold on to her baby?
Yeah.
She hugged her baby.
The boy cannot come over here unless he behaves.
Candy, what you got?
Won't be over at all. Now, don't make me out to be a grump. I didn't say never. I said I really have to go. Well, now, don't.
Cubby, you tried to do a jump, huh? He did a belly flop. I wish I would have got that, Daddy. He's so cute.
I'm gonna finish the boat.
Yeah. Tomorrow, hopefully our cushions will be done tomorrow.